The global balance of power is no longer defined solely by military might or raw GDP. Today, leadership is increasingly measured in petabytes, patents, and processing power. A fundamental shift is underway, driven by the relentless advance of artificial intelligence. China is moving with unprecedented speed in this arena. Beijing is making strategic, large-scale bets on chips, data, and talent. Advanced semiconductor chips, vast data sets, and a growing pool of human talent. The numbers paint a stark picture of a world in transition, happening now. Headlines highlight China's rapid accumulation of AI intellectual property. Earlier reports suggested China held around 40% of global AI patents. More recent, broader datasets point to an even more dominant position. This is a national priority embedded in policy and corporate strategy. Beyond patents, talent is pivotal. Some estimates put China's share of top-tier AI researchers as high as 47%. This engine of talent converts research into applications that reshape industries. This ascent is the product of a concerted, long-term national strategy, massive investment in institutions, technology parks, and ambitious AI projects. Major firms, Tencent, Baidu, Alibaba, sit at the forefront, backed by scale at home. This coordinated push is hard to fully grasp from the West, and its implications extend far beyond tech. As AI embeds into healthcare, finance, transportation, and national security, leaders gain decisive advantage. Tech leadership is no longer a Western foregone conclusion. DeepSeek became the poster child for hyper-efficient AI. R1 was reported at just $294,000 using 512 NVIDIA H800s. But that was the marginal cost, excluding development of the base V3 model. Credible estimates place the combined expenditure near a $5.6 million training cost for DeepSeek, still far below many Western models that run into the hundreds of millions. And hardware isn't cheap. Some analyses peg server capital outlays as high as $1.3 billion. China's edge is dual: tactical efficiency on experiments atop strategic, massive capital investment. That blend, marginal efficiency plus big balance sheets, defines the playbook. Patent volume is staggering, but raw numbers only tell part of the story. Many filings remain domestic. Only a small share seek international protection. Just 7.3% go abroad, signaling limits to global defensibility. Grant ratios trail key peers, 55% versus higher rates in Japan and Canada. Impact skews west. US AI patents are cited nearly 7 times more often. China leads in volume. The US still leads in shaping direction. The attention economy is ground zero, and TikTok is the case study. As of 2025, estimates show 136 million monthly active US users, and roughly 82.2 million daily users in January of that year. You'll also hear the headline number, 170 million US TikTok users, often cited in the debate. The algorithm learns fast, parsing habits, likes, shares, and watch time to lock attention. Washington noticed. Data, censorship, and foreign influence risks drove legislative scrutiny. From sale or ban deadlines to shifting political winds, the outcome remains fluid into 2026. Meanwhile, Temu's direct-from-factory model rides data and logistics to undercut incumbents. Analytics squeeze cost and time, at scale. The disruption is visible on Western shelves and balance sheets. The age of one clear superpower is over. Multipolar competition is here. China brings scale, speed, and manufacturing mastery, plus lower marginal training costs in some programs. The West retains a qualitative edge, foundational research and cutting-edge semiconductors. The rules are being written in real time, through corporate strategy, policy, and investment. Is China leading the new global tech order? Share your thoughts below. And for more insights into the future of AI, make sure to subscribe to Global Aethel AI.